ever wondered which Fiverr gigs are getting the most orders right now? The ones that clients keep asking for week after week, even while you sleep? Stick around, because today I'm going to reveal the top Fiverr gigs you can start in 2025, gigs that are in demand, don't need massive experience to begin, and have real potential to earn you solid income. If you're ready to jump in, this video will show you exactly where to begin. One high-demand gig that remains strong is graphic and digital design, especially social media graphics, YouTube thumbnails, banner ads, and simple branding kits. With more businesses, creators, and marketers launching online all the time, many need quick, affordable design work. These types of gigs require minimal tools, just design software and creativity, and they're perfect for beginners or designers wanting steady orders. Video content is booming, which means video-related gigs are gold in 2025. Services like video editing, short-form content, social media clips, reels, simple post-production, adding subtitles, color correction, and thumbnail creation for videos are in constant demand. Even if you're not a pro editor yet, starting with basic video edits or simple cuts can get you traction, and you can grow from there as you learn. If you have a good voice or want to try voice acting, voiceover gigs remain in demand. Many creators produce podcasts, tutorials, animations, or audiobooks, and they often need clear, expressive narration. For voiceovers, a decent mic and clean audio are more important than a fancy setup. Good delivery and clarity are what sells. Writing and copywriting is another evergreen gig path. People constantly need blog posts, articles, product descriptions, social media captions, and a website copy. Even basic writing, if it's clear, well edited, and delivered on time, can bring regular orders. As you build reviews, you can expand into SEO writing, content marketing packages, or higher tier copywriting services. Digital marketing and social media services, like creating content calendars, managing posts, basic social media management, or offering SEO freelance marketing help, are also trending. Small businesses and online creators often look to outsource these tasks. If you have some knowledge or are willing to learn, these gigs have big earning potential. For a more passive or semi-passive income model, consider creating digital products, templates, presets, printable artwork, social media kits, PDF resources, planner pages, or even basic stock content. Once uploaded, these can sell repeatedly without ongoing work, a great way to earn while focusing on other gigs or projects. No matter which gig you pick, standing out matters. Clear gig titles, attractive gig images, just thumbnails, and a well-written description will help you get noticed. Starting with competitive pricing and quick delivery helps build early reviews. Those first few positive ratings can kickstart your visibility. Over time, you can raise prices and add more value based on feedback. If this video inspired you, give it a like, subscribe for more freelancing tips and Fiverr strategies, and share this with someone who wants to start on Fiverr too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.